Untangling a mess of knotted headphone wires every single time you want to listen to a podcast, or constantly dropping a tiny, expensive earbud into a street grate because it slipped out of your ear, is an absolute nightmare that completely disrupts your daily groove. Standard wireless options often force you to deal with short, frustrating battery life or spotty Bluetooth connections that drop your calls the second you step into a crowded area. The Beats Flex Wireless Earbuds completely rescue you from that daily audio friction, functioning as an ultra-reliable, high-performance wearable workstation that stays comfortably draped around your neck and ready for action 24/7. Wrapped in a sleek smoke gray finish, these clever earphones feature a flexible nitinol cable and magnetic earbuds that automatically snap together when not in use, instantly pausing your music so you never lose your place. Powered by the legendary Apple W1 headphone chip, they deliver effortless, one-touch pairing with all your iOS devices, seamless audio sharing with a friend, and an extended Class 1 Bluetooth range that guarantees your connection stays rock solid whether your phone is in your pocket or across the room. Boasting a heavy-duty 12 hours of continuous listening time on a single charge, alongside a fast fuel feature that gives you a massive 1.5 hours of playback from a quick 10-minute plug-in. This lightweight pair is built with an advanced acoustic platform and a premium built-in microphone to ensure your favorite tracks sound incredibly crisp and your voice comes through perfectly clear on every call. Click the link below to lock in the absolute best price. Drop a comment letting me know if you prefer this secure neckband style or totally wireless earbuds. Make sure to smash that subscribe button for more practical daily tech and audio gear breakdowns. And I will see you in the next video.